Now let's practice with some words to help you describe people and things. These words are pronouns. Pronouns en español es pronombres y en español solamente usa unos. En inglés se tiene que cambiar si está al inicio o al final de la oración. In English, we know from another lesson that we use the word they. They in Spanish, ellos or ellas. For she, ella. He, él. We, nosotros o nosotras. It is like una cosa. You, is tú o usted. I is you. But when we're talking about these people or these things, it depends if the word's at the beginning or the end of the sentence. For example, if I say it at the beginning, antes del verbo, before the verb, I have to say I. For example, I might say, I like my sister. If I'm doing it the opposite way, I might say she likes, and I can't put I. That doesn't make sense. Si es después del verbo, after the verb, I have to change it from I to me. Or if I say it another way, let me just do this. I, otra vez después del verbo, like her. Cada vez, each time that I go after the verb or what I am doing, I have to use this side, the object pronouns, instead of the subject pronouns. We will practice a little bit more later. Also, if I have these words, I have to change it to the other object pronoun. For example, if I have a gift and I want to give it to ella, I have to say give it to her, not to she. I have to change it and say give it to her. If I want to say for, como eso es para él, I can't say he, I have to say for him. If I want to say that that comment, el comentario, was directed at us, at nosotros, I can't say we, I have to say us. If I want to say que eso fue amable de ellos, I can't say of they, I have to change it to of them. And if you want to say come conmigo, I can't say with I have to say with me. Let's try one more to practice. Here's a picture of some students. I want you to think about what they're doing and practice using the words her, him, and them. You may pause the video to practice what you want to say. Here are some examples of what you could have written. I might talk about this young man and say, they are looking at, would I say he or him? I would say they are looking at him because it goes after the word at. After the verb, I would use him. Let's try another one. I might say they are laughing with, would I say she or her? It's after the verb and after with. I would say they are laughing with her. That is how you use object pronouns in English.